A winter-friendly, eco-friendly bird feeder that birds won't pass by even during the harshest frosts. It takes just a moment to make and can genuinely help birds survive winter at almost no cost. Start with an enamel mug. Next, grab some coconut oil. You probably already have it in your kitchen cupboard. It makes the perfect feeder base. Once it solidifies, it binds all the ingredients together, doesn't spoil in freezing temperatures, and is completely safe for birds. Add the oil to the mug until it fills about half of it, then gently heat it until fully melted. Place the mug on a heat source and wait until the oil has completely liquefied. Add pumpkin seeds to the liquid oil. They're highly nutritious, rich in fats, and birds love them. Then add a generous amount of ready-made birdseed mix with a variety of grains that attract many species. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients are evenly combined. Place a wooden spoon inside and position it so it stands firmly. This will serve as a comfortable perch for the birds. Now put the whole thing in the freezer or simply wait for the oil to harden on its own. Prepare some string and tie it securely around the mug. All that's left is to hang the feeder on a tree. Birds will quickly find it and keep coming back. This feeder works perfectly even in severe frost conditions. Spread peanut butter on an empty toilet paper roll. You need to know this trick. Toilet paper is something everyone has at home, and the empty roll is just a piece of cardboard you usually throw away. This time, you'll turn it into something really useful. Take an empty toilet paper roll and make a small hole near the top of the cardboard. Then, take peanut butter and spread it evenly over the entire roll without missing any spots. The peanut butter creates a sticky layer that will hold everything in place. Now take a mix of bird seeds, pour them onto a tray, and roll the cardboard tube in them until it's completely covered. Finally, cut a piece of string and thread it through the hole. Hang the finished feeder on a tree, which is the perfect place for birds to find a tasty meal. It's a great way to help birds find food. Try it yourself and see how quickly your tree becomes a favorite spot for bird visits. Create an eco-friendly bird feeder that birds will love. Scoop out the inside of an orange. Use a knife to make small holes on both sides of the peel. Thread a string through and tie the ends tightly. Fill the orange with a mix of seeds for a tasty treat. Hang your feeder on a tree in the garden or on your balcony. A simple, natural way to help nature. In just 5 minutes and using old flower pots, you can create something unique. Take a plastic flower pot and 2 saucers. They don't have to be the same size, but the pot should fit inside both the top and bottom saucers. Using a drill, make a hole in the center of the pot's bottom, then do the same with both saucers. If the edges are rough, smooth them out with a knife. Now, make small holes around the lower part of the pot. Depending on the material, use either a knife or a soldering iron. These openings are key to the feeder's design. Take a strong rope and thread it through the hole in the top saucer. Then through the pot and the bottom saucer. Tie a secure knot underneath to hold everything in place. The bird feeder is now ready. The top saucer acts as a roof and remains movable, making it easy to refill. Pour in birdseed, ensuring the grains can easily fall through the side openings. Hang the feeder on a tree branch, and soon birds will gather to enjoy their new feeding spot. A simple and creative way to help your feathered friends during winter. Instead of throwing away your Christmas tree after the holidays, turn it into an eco-friendly bird feeder. The tree trunk works perfectly as a base. Cut off a piece of the trunk with a saw, so you're left with a thick, stable section. Next, remove old and thin branches using pruning shears, leaving a few stronger ones. Then strip the needles from the remaining branches with a utility knife, so only bare twigs remain. Screw a hook or an eye bolt into the top for hanging. The feeder base is now ready. Take a regular apple and hollow out the center. Place it directly onto one of the branches. Slice a second hollowed apple, thread the slices onto a string, and tie it to the branches. For the final step, Add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil to a bowl and melt it. Mix in a ready-made birdseed blend and stir well. Pour the mixture into a donut mold and place it in the freezer. Once it has set, remove one solid ring and slide it onto a branch. Your Christmas tree bird feeder is ready. It's perfect for hanging near your home. A simple, eco-friendly way to feed birds in winter. Give your tree a second life and truly support local nature. The birds will love it. Create an eco-friendly bird feeder that birds will love. Scoop out the inside of an orange. Use a knife to make small holes on both sides of the peel. Thread a string through and tie the ends tightly. Fill the orange with a mix of seeds for a tasty treat. Hang your feeder on a tree in the garden or on your balcony. A simple, natural way to help nature. Your dogs and cats will never pee in the wrong place again. Use this trick daily. It'll save you tons of money and time. This DIY spray takes just a minute to make and will help your pets stop using the wrong spots. Once they smell it, they won't want to go there anymore. My neighbor struggled with her dog for a long time, but after using this method, the problem disappeared completely. You only need a few ingredients you probably already have at home. Start with a measuring cup and a pitcher. Pour 50 milliliters of vinegar into the cup, then transfer it to the pitcher. Next, measure 50 milliliters of water and add it to the pitcher. Add 3 tablespoons of any concentrated cleaning liquid. Mix well. Then, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and stir again. Cut a lemon in half, squeeze the juice into the pitcher, and mix thoroughly. Your spray is ready. Now grab a clean spray bottle and pour the mixture in. That way you can store it and use it anytime. Spraying will be much easier and more convenient. Now you're ready to use it. Spray carpets and all the spots your pets tend to target. Say goodbye to pet pee stains for good. The color of a cat's fur says a lot about its personality. Curious about what your cat's coat color reveals about its character? You might be surprised. A white cat dislikes chaos and prefers a calm environment. It may be a bit shy around strangers, but once it warms up to someone, it shows plenty of affection. A black cat, on the other hand, loves to follow its own path, full of mysterious adventures. Yet when it returns home, it's happy to curl up on your lap and enjoy some cuddles. Ginger cats are a breed apart, sweet but cheeky. Give them a finger, and they'll take the whole hand. Courageous and lazy at the same time, they're unpredictable and clever, always ready to surprise you. A 2-colored cat is more laid back. It loves its comfort zone, usually a cozy couch or bed, and prefers sticking close to its owner. It thrives on routine and peace. Meanwhile, a 3-colored cat is like a wild card. One moment it craves affection. The next, it changes its mind and might show its claws. Hard to predict and full of mischief, it sometimes stirs up trouble, but knows how to charm its way back into your good graces. While coat color might offer some fun insights into a cat's temperament, there's no scientific proof of a link between fur patterns and personality traits. However, it's always fun to imagine.